Welcome back. We're just going to review yesterday's work, particularly the first picture around stability and balance, which was 1A. Obviously, you have to do that work under GWORK. Again, you can assess this yourself. What we've got here is stability and balance. Obviously, we're seeing in that photo, and we'll flick to it shortly, which one was the most stable, which individual or which athlete. And to define again, we're looking at the object or the athlete who is in the most stable position. And this is achieved through the following contributing factors: base of support, center of gravity, line of gravity, and any compensation that's occurring. As you can see, this is the photo you had to review. We can see this is ruck and rugby, and the most stable individual in this position was this. He has 4 points of contact, so he has a large base support around here. You can see also his line of gravity goes down through here, probably this position here, and is between and within his base support, well within it, around the middle section. You can also see his center of gravity is down in this area, and compensation, there isn't too much in this photo here, but as you can see, the most part is the wide base. These individuals, yes, they are balanced, but are relying on each other, and the points in contact a lot wider from this side here.